Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Liz and this is Simply Homeschool. So today I'm just going to show you guys some things that I had gotten as a gift. Shout out to you, Shell. Thank you so much for sending us these things. We're going to have so much fun using them. And I'm super excited to share with all of you guys. If you're new here, thank you for clicking on this thumbnail. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for showing me some support and watching my videos. Please don't forget to comment down below. Tell me what you guys like. I don't know, tell me what videos you guys want to see. Anything, just leave a comment for me. I like to read them. And yeah, so I'm just going to show you guys some fun things that we got in the mail as a surprise from someone very, very dear to us. So thanks again, Shell. We love you. And let's jump right in. Okay, you guys, so first off, we were sent this DK Silly Sentences. This is for 1 to 4 players and ages are 4 through 7. I'm thinking you could do this at an older age just because, like, looking at this, I know my daughter, she's 8 and she's gonna love putting together these silly sentences. So it looks like it just comes with these different cards that you click together and you can make up different sentences using the picture and the words. Let's see if I could open this. I just want to tell you guys something super funny, but it's not funny at all. So these boxes have literally been sitting in my garage for about a week. They have been quarantining, you guys. I literally sprayed them with Lysol and they've just been sitting out there for about a week. I don't know if I'm the only crazy one like that doing that, but you just can't be too careful right now. And I do want to, do a shout out to all of you first responders out there, doctors, nurses, ambulance drivers, paramedics. Hello, ambulance drivers. Well, there are paramedics that drive the ambulance, right? Firefighters, policemen, people that work at grocery stores, pharmacies. Oh my goodness, just so many. I know that I've named some in one of my other videos and I don't know how I forgot paramedics, firefighters, and policemen. I'm like, I don't even know, you guys. Okay, so I just wanted to throw that out there after I mentioned about the quarantining my boxes, just because I do appreciate everybody out there doing their best at whatever they have to do, So I just wanted to put that out there. All you Amazon drivers and delivery drivers, thank you so much. Because of you guys, I got these cool little gifts that brightened up my kids' days, and so I just wanted to say thank you. So getting back into this, sorry, if I could open it. Okay, so here are the cards. We still have to pop them out. Literally, this is the first time I'm opening it, you guys, is to show you. It says that there's 124 sturdy puzzle pieces, easy to follow instruction sheet with helpful note to parents and teachers. So this one will be pretty fun to play and learning while having fun. That's like a win-win for me. Okay, next on the list is, or not on the list, but next here in front of me, I have a row of boxes. So this is by Learning Resources. This is Sight Word Fly SWAT. Oh my gosh, how cool is that? 1 to 4 players, ages 5+. My son, he's not quite, ready for this yet. My daughter may be a little bit far beyond this, but my son, he'll be there soon enough. And if I ever get my nephew back before the school year ends, maybe I could start working with him on these. I'm sorry, you guys, I'm trying to open it. Uh-oh. All right, so it comes with this cute little fly swatter. Instructions. Oh my gosh, how cute are these little bugs? And they have different words on them. I love that. That is so cute. And you can work with colors. Maybe I could just do colors with him, you guys. I could say, swat all the blue, and then he could swat all the blue. Oh my gosh, he's gonna love doing that. And then they come with 3 other colors here. His favorite color is blue. He always wants a blue straw, you guys. Who else out there has a kid that's 3 that already has like a favorite color? He loves having his blue straw. This is awesome. Thank you so much, Shell. We're gonna have so much fun. So this is by Skillmatics and it is called Brain Games. You write and white activity. You write and white activity. It is a write and white activity. It says 12 repeatable activities, 6 double-sided mats, Skilly Billy pen, 1 Skilly Billy achievement certificate, and 1 duster cloth. Let's open this bad boy up and see what's inside. Okay, so it opens up like this. It has this cool little eraser pen. Oh, how cute is that little face on there, you guys? It has a little wipey cloth. And then it has, oh, this is cool. Oh, it has your answers if you don't know. And it has this cute little achievement thing. Once they get through all of it, you could fill that out. And then here are some of the games. What's this one? Next, we have a learning resource veggie farm sorting set. It's sort by colors, numbers, and shapes. It's ages 3+. Okay, so first off, it has the directions. Look how cute this box is, you guys, because you're supposed to put it like this. Look how, look how cute that is. So it comes with these cute little, let me take them out, but let me show you real quick. All these different colored fruits and vegetables. Look how cute that is, okay? And then it comes with these little number cards. I keep looking down, I'm sorry. All these little number cards. And then on the other side, there's colors. And those are colors. Let's see where the fruits and vegetables are. Uh-oh. And then there's fruits and vegetables. Look how cute. Okay, so that comes in here, and then here are some of the fruits and veggies. Oh my gosh. This will be so fun for us to play because we are about to start gardening, and my kids are gonna garden with me. So my son, while playing with these, he'll know because I'll be able to explain to him that this is for, you know, gardens. Okay, so this has so many different things that you can do with this. You can do color sorting, vegetable match, spot the difference, what did rabbit steal, counting colors, counting crops, veggie addition, and from the garden to the market. That's pretty cool. That is a lot of different options that you can do with them. And it says develops sorting and patterning and fine motor skills. So that's pretty cool. I'm really excited for this. He's actually gonna love this. He loves stuff like this. Okay, you guys, so last but definitely not least, it's a Bible bingo game. So this says that there's 2 to 6 players. It includes 6 double-sided game boards, 90 scripture cards, 150 tokens, ideas for play with younger children. So that is what it looks like. It says memorize scripture and learn biblical truths with the fun game. With this fun game, not the, oh my goodness. All right, you guys, so this one obviously comes with instructions. Here are the Bible verses here that need to be cut out into little cards. There's quite a bit of them. And then here are the little tokens or disc to cover up what you have on your bingo card. And then here are the bingo cards. Oh my gosh, we are so gonna play this for Easter, you guys. I'm super excited about this. Thanks, girl. Thank you so much. Look how cool. I truly love everything having to do with God, you guys, with Jesus. Anything like this that incorporates it for the kids to make it fun and exciting. I just love it. It just fills your soul, their soul. It's wonderful. So it just shows the picture that's going to be on the card, and it also shows the verse name and then the chapter that it's in and then the verse. So like for instance, one of them says Psalm 33:4, and then you turn it over and it says, "For the word of the Lord is right and true. He is faithful in all he does." And this is by the NIV version. So I love this. I'm so excited. We're gonna totally play this for Easter. All right, you guys, thank you so much for checking out this video. I hope you enjoyed it. It was so fun just opening up the box and seeing all the little surprises that she had sent us. It was just, you know, truly in a time like this, little things like that can truly just brighten up your heart and everything. So thank you so much, Shell. Again, we really appreciate it, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you guys found some ideas to purchase from Amazon, and you know, if you wanted to surprise somebody you loved with something nice, then I would do it, because it truly like changed our mood and everything. You know, in times like this, you sometimes need something like that. And it doesn't even have to be like a game or something that's a lot of money, because I know that a lot of us are struggling. So even if it's like a card, or have your kids write a little letter and, you know, draw a picture for their grandparents or aunts or cousins or anything like that, anything in these times like that will truly help somebody's day. All right, you guys, thanks again. I appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and that like if you haven't already, and I hope to see you in my next video. Be blessed.